Welcome to PowerPoint keyboard shortcut series, and this is the part 3 of this particular video, and I have previously posted 2 videos on these sections and you can check it out in the description below. This is the slide I am currently located, and if I double click on this text which is selected, that is presentation, and when I hold Ctrl plus K on the keyboard, this brings out the insert hyperlink dialog box. This helps me to link this text to an existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document, and also link this to an email address. So if I choose this existing file, that is, I can link to a local file that is found on my computer system, and if I choose place in this document, I can link this to a slide. So let's assume that I choose this slide 4 and then click on OK. Let me click on this, got it. But this gives you a screen tip. If this is your first time of getting access to this particular feature, it says drag a slide onto the canvas to create a slide zoom, which allows you to quickly jump to a different slide in your presentation. This is going to be a different video that we are going to cover. Let me click on got it. Now currently you can see that this particular item has been highlighted with a blue color and also underlined. If you want to ignore this option or this effect, you can double click and change the font color to white, and this is still an hyperlink that links to a particular slide. If you place your pointer on it, it says hold Ctrl and click to follow. So if I hold down the Ctrl key, this gives me the hyperlink hand or the link select icon, and when I click, this jumps me to slide 4. If I move back to slide 1, Ctrl and click, this jumps me to slide 4. So this Ctrl plus K is used to open up the insert hyperlink dialog box, and you can link any selected item to a different web page or an email address, or right in this particular presentation. If this text is selected, as you can see, when I click on this note and move to the paragraph group, this is set to the left alignment. If I click on this moves this text to the right, and if I want to move it back to the left side or align it to the left side, I can use Ctrl plus L on the keyboard. So Ctrl plus L is used to left align a selected text. When I hold Ctrl plus N on the keyboard, this opens up a new presentation in PowerPoint. I have this particular interface open, and this is a new presentation, and I have only one slide in this current presentation. Ctrl plus N helps you to open new presentation multiple times. Now in this case, if I have an existing presentation on my local computer, when I use Ctrl plus O on the keyboard, this gives me this interface, and I can glance through and select any presentation I have already created on this computer system.